各位同事、各位嘉賓，晚上好！好開心今日又可以同 ISTE 同埋 Union 嘅各位朋友聚埋一齊。咁兩間公司雖然業務範疇就唔太一樣嘅，但係大家身上嗰一種不懈拼搏同埋追求極致嘅專業精神咧，係完全一致嘅。咁呢種專業咧，亦都係公司做得更加好嘅關鍵啦。咁2025年對 ISTE 嚟講咧，係一個非常之忙碌嘅一年。咁作為一間主要做海外市場嘅公司啦，咁面對外圍環境嘅變化啦，我哋冇停低，反而積極咁運用 AI 啦同埋科技啦，升級產品啦。喺挑戰入面咧，重新定位我哋嘅優勢。咁我一直相信咧，客仔嘅信任咧係我哋嘅底氣，而同事嘅進步咧先係公司最寶貴嘅資產。咁咧過去嘅一年，我要特別多謝我哋嘅同事啦。你哋過去一年更加主動，亦都更加有熱誠，我由衷咁感到開心。仲有一直大力支持我哋嘅合作夥伴啦，同埋客戶，多謝你哋嘅專業，因為大家嘅高度配合，呢一年嘅忙碌咧，先有真正嘅價值。Let me also introduce a few words in English to our international client. First of all, I want to give a very warm welcome to our partners from the Philippines. The Big Pigs team. It's truly wonderful to see you joining us all the way again. Thank you for traveling all the way to be here tonight. Your continued support means a lot to ISTE. I also want to praise your incredible efforts over the past year. I have seen your dedication firsthand, and it is truly moving to see the passion you put into representing our brand. The success of Big Pigs is our success. Looking ahead, we will continue to support you with our latest technology and with our best service, because when you grow, we grow. 最後，我覺得只要方向正確，每一日都進步少少，好運就一定會嚟。希望大家今晚盡情享受，可以幸運咁抽到大獎。多謝。